Hello, so this video explains to you the differences between different types of scope in JavaScript. When we talk about scope, we're talking about in which parts of our code do we have access to our variables depending on where we declared them. Global scope are variables that are declared outside of any functions in our code or outside of any blocks of code, strictly curly braces. These are some variables that we declared globally. If we want, we can access them inside of our functions, like this access variables function, or blocks of code like this if statement. Variables that we declared inside of our functions have function scope or local scope. These variables we do not have access to outside of the functions that we declare them in. This is true whether we called the function or didn't call it. Variables declared within blocks of code, like this if statement, have block scope. We do not have access to these variables outside of this block of scope they're declared in. So outside of this if statement, we cannot access these variables. The exception to this is a var variable. A var variable does not have block scope and has global scope even if declared inside of a block of code. If we want to create a global variable inside of our functions, leave out any keyword before the name of our variable. This way, we have access to this variable even outside of our function. The variable becomes a property of the JavaScript environment it's running in. In the case of HTML, this is the window object. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to post them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.